Alright, so in this lecture, we'll talk about one more hook in React.js. In the last lecture, we learned how to use the state, which helps in state management. So there is another hook, which is the useEffect. So this is a very helpful hook that we use in functional components. So what does the useEffect basically do? Like, remember that in React, the whole web page is rendered once. Then any new component is updated specifically, not the whole page again. So it's component by component. Okay, so if you want to make changes during rendering, then we do these changes by using effect. So let me give you an example. First of all, we'll initialize the useEffect. We have to do initialize below the top function. We'll write useEffect and we'll have to import it as well. So it has a callback function. Whenever anything is getting rendered, the code in useEffect will run. For example, I'm clicking here, thus only this component is rendered, but other things do not change, okay? I want that when I click on it, then it gets rendered and it shows me a message on top. So you have clicked, okay? We can do this through useEffect. Okay, I'll write window.alert, I'm clicked. If I click this button, then this state will change, and when it will change, the function will run. Okay, now I'll save it and show you in the browser. As you can see, the page has reloaded. Then it got rendered the first time, and then, yeah, like it matches, and matches has been displayed. Yeah, so I clicked on the button again, and it got rendered again, and the message has been displayed again. So this is how to use the effect, like this is how the useEffect works. And yeah, it's very useful because sometimes you want any small code to run after a specific rendering. So that's pretty much it. This is how it works. And now on to the next lecture.